We have a few other things. Let's see. We have
Where are my cough drops?
one other giveaway, but it's only 4 o'clock, so I don't think we have to get that set up.
Only 4 o'clock, she says.
Only 4 o'clock, she says.
Cough drop?
I would love one.
Cough
Thank
drop.
you.
Cough drop?
Oh, please.
Cough drop. Anybody else in the room want a cough drop? Yes? Cough drop? No? No cough drops for anybody? Oh, look, at engineering does.
Let's head back there.
Ooh. Jacob hands out treats. What's up, mother bosses? Cough drop? Cough drop.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're very welcome. Okay, let's go. Ooh, that couch needs a butt. Doot 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 doot. Doot 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 doot. Definitely Jacob coming back.
Hey.
Hey, Andrew, how's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
I'm good. It's been a good shift so
It
far.
certainly has. Holy heck.
Right?
Yeah.
Cough drop.
We've made some.
Oh, these are the
The
yeah.
paper core.
I forgot one of
Wonderful.
the things I was supposed to include in my list of titles from the archive.
Oh?
Yeah, it was an anthropomorphic, well-endowed deck of many things. I get card waifus.
Also
Yeah.
known as Furry's Delight.
Wow.
Heck yeah. Yeah, I overheard that we were talking a little bit about dating sims from the friend zone. And I had a minute where I thought I heard somebody say that How to Be Boyfriend was a bad game, and I was like, I will fight. I love that game. I also think it was the Horse Boyfriends game. That one was weird.
These are Peipakoa cough drops.
They're
Yes.
really nice.
They're quite good.
I want to say it keeps teasing cherry, but being something not cherry.
Yeah.
Jacob 8 or above Burgess. I don't give out anything that's not an 8 or above.
Love it.
These are really nice.